Hi folks, this is Karim Rao from IT Visualizer channel. They will continue our lab, the Red Arrow lab. This is the video number 73. We have been discussing in the previous video the following. We have been working now for 8 videos to create a Windows 11 master image with all the tricks and tweaks and open source programs to create a perfect Windows 11 master image that contains all what the user needs. Programs frequently used by users, some tips and tricks to increase the performance or enhance the performance of Windows 11, some tips and tricks to customize the Windows 11, customize the interface of Windows 11 to be more familiar to the users, and a lot of tips actually. So the last video we have done all of the tips and tricks and tweaks. So after that we need to take an image of this Windows 11 with all of the tips and tricks and tweaks and the programs installed on it. So we will take an image using two methods. The first method is to use the command prompt of Windows itself using a command called dism. So we can take an image of the Windows from the Windows itself, from the command prompt, or what we will do, we will boot up our PC and enter safe mode with command prompt, and then we will take an image from the Windows. Okay, this is the first method. And the second method is to use third-party programs like Acronis or Norton Ghost to take an image of the Windows 11. And this is simply, you will have the DVD of Norton or the DVD of Acronis and boot with it and then take an image of the Windows 11 operating system. So the first method, we will use the dism command in the Windows operating system to take an image of the Windows. So how we will do this? First of all, let me show you something here. When you have a PC and you don't have any operating system installed on it, so what you will do, you will get a Windows 11 DVD and put it in the DVD and boot with it and begin installation of the Windows 11 operating system. What does the DVD of Windows 11 contains? This is a DVD, okay, but this is an ISO image, or this is a digital image of, or digital copy of the DVD of Windows 11. If we mount it through Windows, we will see here that these are the Windows 11 set of files. We can see a lot of files. If we go to the sources, we will see a small file called let me get it to, it's called install. Let me get it. Yes, here this is install.esd or install.wim. So simply to install Windows 11 from the DVD, you are simply recovering an image. So what we will do, the Windows 11 DVD contains an image of the Windows 11 and some files to customize this image. Okay, so this is install.dsd and this is a large file. Okay, so this is what you are typically doing when you are installing Windows 11. You are actually recovering an image and then customizing this image with some small steps, like giving a username and password and doing some other steps. So this is an image, the Windows 11 DVD, it is an image. So what we will do, we will do the same. We will take this Windows 11 DVD and remove this file, and then take an image of the Windows 11 which will be then inserted in this Windows 11 DVD. So when you use it later, it will install the custom image that you have taken. So again, what we will do, using the dism command or taking an image of the Windows using the dism command, what we will do, we will get a Windows 11 DVD and then we will go there and remove this file. So this is the file, we will remove it, and actually this is an image of Windows 11 and it is already recovered using the Windows 11 DVD. So we remove this file and then we will take by the dism command a custom image and give it the same name. We'll give it install.esd. So the next time you use the Windows 11, it will recover the custom image, not the original image with the DVD. We will see that in a moment, but actually this is a very good step. You will have your image on a DVD, so you can give it to users outside your network, or if you don't have a VPN with, for example, if you have branches and you need to give them this image, and you don't have VPN, so you can send the IT in the branches this DVD that contains your custom image, so you can install it. They can install it and work with it. If you have a VPN, then this is very simple. You can use Windows deployment server or use Microsoft deployment toolkit. Anyway, what we will do, we will take a DVD, okay, and put our custom or insert our custom image in it. Okay, so how we can do this, let me show you all how we can do this. So first of all, we need to unmount this image. So we'll go there and right click and unmount, eject the image, and then let's see how we do this. We will go to our PC or our virtual machine, and then we need to insert or take a copy of a Windows 11, original Windows 11 DVD image, and go and after that take an image of our machine and then replace from the Windows 11 the install.esd, which is the original Windows image, and put our custom image file that we will take by the dism command. Do not worry, we will do this step by step. So first we will log in with the care.of account, and then we will take a copy of the DVD that I have shown you earlier. So we have a Windows 11 DVD, original Windows 11 DVD in an ISO image or in a digital form. We will copy it, okay, and then after that we will remove the install.esd file, which is the original Windows image, and replace it with our custom image that we will take by the dism command. Anyway, let me pass this real quickly. So what we will do, we will go and get the image. So just see here what we will do, we will make a folder and we will rename it, or it is called Windows 11 DVD image. So this is our folder that will contains an original Windows 11 DVD, okay, which contains all of the original files of the Windows 11, and then we replace some files in this Windows 11 DVD or with this Windows 11 original DVD and put our custom image in it. Okay, we will do this using a program called AnyBurn. Anyway, we will wait, but just let me show you all how we can do this step. First we will make this Windows 11 image folder, we name it Windows 11 original image, and then we'll make something Windows 11 custom image. So this is the folder that we will save our custom image of this machine, and then we will have another folder to put an original Windows 11 DVD ISO image, the one that I've showed you earlier before. I will show you all how we will copy it. First we will make a folder, so I'll make another folder. Okay, so I'll make another folder. Let me go further here, again, so make another folder. Let me get to it again. Sorry guys, we'll pass this real quickly. So we'll make, here we have two folders. We have Windows 11 custom folder. Here we will save our custom image of this machine. We will save it in this folder, and this is a folder for Windows 11 ISO original image. Okay, and this custom image will be inserted in the Windows 11 original DVD. Okay, we will see that, we will make a test, and after installing or after making our custom image and insert it in a real or in a original Windows 11 image, we will see how the setup will go. Okay, so first we will copy the image. Let me get back to you again. Let me get, so here, no, we'll get, so here we will get, this is the image. We will copy it and put it in the folder, okay, that we have already created. So here we will copy this image. Remember, we will copy this image and we will remove the install.esd file, which is the original image of Windows 11, and insert our custom Windows 11 image that we will take using the dism command. Anyway, so this is the Windows 10, Windows 11 original image. Now we need to boot the Windows in the safe command prompt mode to take an image of the Windows 11, especially the C partition or the partition that contains the operating system. So here, this is the command that we will use in the command prompt or in the safe mode with command prompt to take an image of the Windows 11. So here you will take image of the C partition, put it in the Windows 11 custom folder, name it install.wim. Okay, so by the way, the install.esd in the Windows 11 original image, it can be replaced with install.wim, so you can see it in ESD or in WIM. These are the original Windows 11 image that are recovered when you are using the Windows 11 DVD inserted in a PC or something. Okay, so this is simply capture the C partition, image of the C partition, put it in a certain folder, name it a certain name, and compress this image to the maximum. Okay, so this is simply what we will do. So now we will save this command and we will use it later. Now we need to boot the Windows 11 in safe mode with command prompt and take an image of our PC. Okay, and after taking this image, we will go to our Windows 11 original image, remove installed DSD, and put the installed.wim, which is the custom image of the Windows 11. Let me show you all how, and we will make a test. We will see, we will use our Windows 11 DVD and install it and see how it will look like. Anyway, so this is the command. Let me go further here. So this is the folder. Now let me go. We need first, because we need, after taking the custom image, to insert it in an original Windows 11 image. We will do this using a program called AnyBurn. So let me show you all how we can get it. So no, let me go and get it. It's called AnyBurn. This is a free program. We will use it to edit the original Windows 11 image. We will remove the install.dsd.esd file, which is the original image of Windows 11, and replace it with install.wim, which is will be our custom image. So now we can download it. We download the 64-bit version of this program, and then we will use it to edit the original Windows 11 image. Anyway, we will go and download the 64-bit version of this program, because I am using 64-bit version of the Windows 11. So now we will download it. And then there is two versions of this program. It can be installed on Windows, and there is a portable version. A portable version means it is working without installation. It will work from the folder that you have download it from. Okay, so it will work from the folder. You do not need to install it on the Windows operating system. Anyway, so you can use the portable version or the normal version. Anyway, so you can download it, and we will use it later and see how we can edit an image. Okay, so edit a DVD ISO image. Anyway, so we'll download the file, and then now we need to boot the Windows operating system in the safe mode command prompt. We will see how this will be done. Remember that we have tweaked the boot options, and we have now a lot of boot options or boot modes. We have safe mode with command prompt mode, we have safe mode with network mode, we have safe mode, a normal safe mode. Anyway, so we have a lot of things. So this is the I am putting the downloaded files here. So here is the file of AnyBurn. I am putting here to use it later to install it. Now we need to boot the Windows in the safe mode with command prompt. So now we'll restart the machine, and then we will go into the safe mode with command prompt and type this command. Okay, to get an image. Okay, to capture the image of the C partition, which is the partition that has the operating system installed on it. Okay, so remember, we have install.wim. This is our custom image. We will replace it with the file in the Windows 11 original DVD, which is called install.esd. We replace this file with this file. So we are typically telling the Windows 11 original DVD to install our custom image, not install the original image. Okay, anyway, we will restart, and then we need to boot the operating system in the safe mode with command prompt. You can do this, by the way, but we will do it in a certain way. So we will boot the operating system in a command prompt mode. Okay, you will see how we will do this, and then we will type this command to capture the image. So now we are restarting the machine, okay, and then what we will do, we will go to something called recovery tools, but just wait for a moment. Now we will go there. Okay, here is a lot of options. We will tell him to change defaults or choose other options. So we will not use any one of these modes. We will tell him change defaults or choose other options. Okay, we'll click on this one, okay, and then tell him to choose other options and then troubleshoot, okay, and then we tell him to go advanced options and then command prompt. Okay, so now we are in the command prompt mode. We need to put the command to take an image of this PC. This image will be taken using the dism command. Anyway, it will restart and it will boot in the safe mode with command prompt. I think we can take it from the options that we have done, or in the safe mode with command prompt that we have done before. Okay, we can do this anyway. So it will boot in the command prompt, and then we need to make small things. We need to make sure that now we are in something called X partition. Okay, we need to make sure that our partition is the C. Okay, so here what I am doing here, I am just making sure here I am accessing the C partition from the command prompt by typing C double dots and press enter, and then I am diaring or listing all of the files in the partition C. This is what I am doing here. Why I am doing this step? To make sure when I issue the command of dism, it will take an image of the right partition. Okay, take care, because sometimes when you are in the command prompt, the drive letters of the partitions are changed. So you need to take care to make sure that the drive letters of the partitions are not changed. So here I'm taking care that C contains the folder of Windows. So this is the partition that contains the operating system. Okay, now I will just make sure that I have my D partition. I will type X and then I will type D to make sure that I am or the drive letters of my partitions are the same. So when I type D and press enter and then tell him dir to list, this is my D partition. I have two partitions, C and D. C contains the Windows and this contains my customs or my user files. Anyway, so we'll go to the X partition and then issue the command. Let me show you all what will be the command. So we will go further. Let me go further to it. Again. Okay, so we will issue this command. Okay, it will call dism capture image. We will capture an image of the C partition. Okay, the image file will be saved to the folder which is Windows 11 custom folder, and the image will be named installed twim. Okay, we will name we will give it a name. The image will be named recovery and it will be compressed. Okay, so now we need to wait until the image is taken. It will take a little bit of time. It will take maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depending on your Windows or appearing depending on your PC or your hardware. Okay, so now we can see that it's saving the image 1% and then 100%. Now we will exit the command prompt mode by typing exit. It will restart the machine, and then we need to, it will get to our boot menu and tell him to continue to the Windows 11. We will go now and see our custom image which is installed twim. Take a copy of it and put it in the original Windows 11 DVD or ISO image. Okay, we will see that in a moment. We will do this using the AnyBurn program. Okay, let's see how we can do this. First we need to install the program to see how it will work. Now we need to see what is the size of the image that we have taken. If you open the folder, you will see, if we go further, let me go further, if you go there again and we will go to the Windows 11 custom folder, we will see our installed twim. this is the image or the custom image that we have taken, and let's see what is the size. The size of this image will be about 9 gigabyte. Okay, the install.esd in the original Windows 11 was 5 gigabyte. Okay, our image is larger because it contains other programs and other tweaks. Here we will install the AnyBurn program, okay, or we can open the portable image, so we can use this or that. Anyway, so we'll tell him to extract. This is a zipped file. We will extract it, and then we will run the program, and then we will set up the program. This is a normal setup process. There is no tweaks or tricks in this installation, just a normal installation. This is AnyBurn. Okay, so I think this is the portable image. Yes, this is the portable image. Here what we will do, we'll tell him to edit an ISO image or edit a DVD image. We will edit the DVD and remove a file and remove the file install.this.esd, which is the original Windows image, and put our install.wim, which is our Windows 11 custom image. So let's see how we can do this. We tell him to edit the image. Let's go, and we need to let me show you all something here. We need to again open and then edit the image, and then we will need to point to our Windows 11 original image. So here, this is our Windows 11 original image. We will tell him OK or press on it, and then next. Here he will list all of the files in the Windows 11 original DVD or ISO image. Then we need to go and tell him to remove install.esd and replace it with our install.wim file. So here we will, this is install.esd. This is the original Windows 11 image. We will remove it, and then we will add the file. Okay, we will add our install.wim. Then the program will change the contents of the Windows 11 DVD, and it will tell you he will change the content and then save the content to save what you have done in another ISO image. So here he will not play with the original image, he will play with a copy of the original image. Okay, so now we will tell him we need to take, or we need to do another image, or to save the changes to another image. Okay, we will name it install or Windows 11 custom DVD. So now we will replace the file in the original Windows 11 DVD, and then save the complete ISO image of Windows 11 under different name, which is called Windows 11 custom image. So this is another ISO image. We will not play with the original one. Okay, so we are playing with the original one and saving a copy of it. Okay, so tell him create. Will take some time, and then our image will be saved, and we will see when we boot with this DVD on a PC that doesn't contain any operating system and install this DVD or install Windows from this DVD, the Windows will be completely different. It will be our Windows 11 custom image. So here we can see that the DVD, it's about 9 gigabyte. Okay, so the next video we will use the Acronis to take a custom image of the Windows 10, and then we will test these two images, our DVD image and our Acronis image, on a PC that doesn't contain any operating system. I hope this video is informative for you all, and thank you all for viewing. Thank you so much.